Why do baseball injuries impact player performance trends? Have you ever wondered how injuries affect a player's performance in baseball? It's a fascinating topic that reveals a lot about how teams evaluate their players. Injuries can significantly alter a player's ability to contribute on the field. When a player is injured, they often miss games, which leads to fewer opportunities to rack up statistics like hits or home runs. This absence directly impacts their overall performance metrics. For instance, if a player misses a week due to injury, their counting statistics will drop. But it doesn't stop there. When they return, their performance may not be the same as before. This can lead to declines in rate statistics, such as batting average or earned run average. Teams take this into account when assessing player value, especially for pitchers, who tend to face more severe injuries than hitters. Injuries also reduce a player's availability, which can translate into fewer wins for the team. Research shows that even a single day lost to injury can correlate with a slight decline in team performance. This is especially true for pitchers, who often experience longer recovery times and more pronounced drops in performance metrics after an injury. Thanks to advanced data tracking, teams can now analyze post-injury performance in greater detail. Instead of just looking at traditional statistics, they examine pitch-level data and advanced metrics. This helps identify whether a player is underperforming due to physical limitations or if they are successfully returning to form. Different types of injuries can have varying impacts on performance. For pitchers, injuries to the elbow or shoulder can significantly affect their velocity and control. Core injuries can also hinder their ability to generate power, leading to declines in performance metrics. Interestingly, some training methods, like weighted ball training, have been linked to increased injury rates without guaranteed performance improvement. From a player comparison perspective, injuries complicate how analysts identify underperformers and overperformers. A player returning from injury may show declines that reflected physical limitations rather than a loss of skill. This means analysts must adjust their expectations accordingly. On the flip side, successful rehabilitation programs can help players regain or even exceed their pre-injury performance levels. In summary, injuries impact player performance trends by reducing playing time and altering physical ability. This affects key performance metrics and how players are evaluated over time. Understanding these factors is essential for accurately assessing player value and making comparisons between players from different eras.